let's talk about the Nike Air Max Penny One Orlando. If you like these shoes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. I'm back, I am back. It's your boy Trey Dub, and I'm back with another banger. Go ahead and drop a comment. Let your boy know if you got these shoes, man. The reason why you don't see a box, because I always have a box on the table. You know, I do my unboxing, of course. I got these last year. I got them last year, I believe in the summertime, maybe August or something like that. And I only had them on about 2 times, man. I believe at a couple of funerals I had them on. But my partner, he just hit on them. It was Nike Sneakers app. Yeah, the boy got through and he got them, man. And the boy happy about them, man. So I'm not gonna take too much of your time, but I love how these shoes look on feet. They're not the most comfortable Nikes, but they look good on feet. I recommend y'all stay true to size on these, me personally, because of the toe box area. It's pretty wide, so yeah, I stay true to size. So, but let's go ahead and get into it. This is a black base shoe, and if you look at this white midsole, you got your blue Nike check with your black lines going through it. Man, that look cool. Look at that. I don't know what material that is, man, but that's pretty sweet. And if you look at your tongue, you have your royal blue and white Nike check on your tongue. Back of the shoe, ass area, you have your 1 cent logo, your penny 1 cent logo. See that? Your sock liner, blue. With your insole, also blue. White Nike check. See that? Nike Air. Talk about this air bubble. You got your air bubble. Look at that. That starts there, come all the way around to there. So that's pretty dope. And I want to touch on the bottom of the shoe. Again, I got these shoes last year, I believe in the summertime. A little wear and tear on the shoe at the bottom, but still look clean. Again, I think I only had them on twice at a couple of funerals. So yeah, man, the shoe dope. Take me back to when I was a young man. I believe these came out when I was in middle school, but I love the shoe, and I thank God I have them today, because I really, really, really wanted this shoe. At my first pennies, I don't know what pennies they was, but they were trash, man. I rocked them. I loved them, but they were trash. This right here is the real deal. So what say y'all? Do y'all like them? Are they trash? Did y'all get them? Did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.